The ACT has embarked on an ambitious journey to transform its taxation system. Today's Territory budget has revealed the first stage of what will be a 20-year program of change. The reform is being sold as Labor to its core, a Robin Hood budget of sorts, taxing the rich and giving to the poor. But while taxes judged unfair will be phased out, many households will be slugged hundreds of dollars in extra charges. We'll talk to the Treasurer Andrew Barr shortly, but first, Anna Morrizo begins our coverage.
Second call now at 7:60.
From tomorrow, buying a house will be cheaper as stamp duty is lowered and ultimately abolished. It's all part of a massive overhaul of the Territory's tax system.
The new system will be simpler, fairer and more efficient.
On the chopping block are duties for general and life insurance. Stamp duty is also being phased out and more businesses will be exempt from payroll tax. Land for commercial properties is being abolished and landlords renting out low and medium-priced properties will get a drop in land tax. The lost revenue will be made up through an expansion in rates. The fixed service charge will remain, but the flat rate will be replaced with a tax based on land values. About a quarter of households will see rate bills go down. The rest will cop an average increase of $123 a year.
At its core is about Labor values. We want to redistribute income within this city. We want to ensure that those who are doing it tough get a hand up.
Middle income families will be paying significantly more. They will be paying more than they've ever paid. And they're already struggling under cost of living pressures.
Look, we need to move to a new tax system. The reality is that currently having a transaction tax on stamp duty, it's just not sustainable.
The massive shake-up of the tax system announced today has overshadowed much of the other news outlined in the budget. As expected, the budget papers reveal a whopping deficit for the coming financial year. The ledger will be more than $300 million in the red in 2012-13, but the government insists it's still on track to reach a surplus by 2015. As the Commonwealth withdraws spending, the ACT will step in, bringing forward capital works projects and continuing to grow frontline services. Hospitals, emergency services and transport all get a boost. But once again, public servants will bear the brunt of the belt tightening.
Every initiative in this budget is aimed at ensuring that those who are less well off get a hand up.
With one eye on the October election, but not taking the other off the bigger picture. Anna Morrizo, ABC News, Canberra.